Hello everyone. We are here to show you the first lecture of business environment. We will start with the definition. The definition is business is a set of organized economic activities related to production and exchanges of goods and services with achieving certain objectives. The main objective of business is to earn profit. It includes those activities that are concerned with the production of purchase of goods and services with the object of selling them at a profit. It is basically not related to the non economic activities of a person. Now we will find out what is business. So basically, business is having economic activity, production, purchase of goods and services, selling of goods and services, continuity in dealings, profit earning, elements of risk, uncertain return, legal and lawful, and consumer satisfaction. In economic activity, your capital will be introduced. In production, purchase of goods and services means what are you going to produce. In selling of goods, the produced goods will be sell out. The continuity in dealing means by infusing the capital. Now production, purchase, sell of goods, this is the continue activity. Now profit earning is the backbone of the business. Now element of risk, higher the risk, higher the profit. Uncertain return means when the return is uncertain, just because you can get higher the risk, higher the profit, but you can get higher the risk, lower the profit. Also the legal and lawful, because the policies are intended by the government of any country. Now consumer satisfaction, that is basically the foremost need of a business. Now we will try to find out. We have read about business. Now we'll try to find out what is environment. Environment meaning the word that has been derived from the word environ. It was in French word that relates to the surrounding or external conditions influencing development or growth of people, animals or plants living or working. After seeing business and environment in a different manner, now I would like to introduce what is business environment. An environment can be defined as anything that surrounds a system. Therefore, business environment is anything that surrounds the business organization. It consists all those factors that have a bearing on the business, such as strength, weakness, internal power relationships, and orientation of the organization, government policies, regulations, economic conditions, natural factor, and global trends. Business environment. In business environment, we can see that business is an organized effort by individuals to produce goods, service, marketplace, and to reap some reward for these efforts. And environment means including factors outside the firm which can lead to opportunities for threats to the firm, just like social, legal, economical, and political environment of the firm. We will find out our business in other manner, that is management, operations, research and development, finance, marketing. Our business surrounds with these activities, these environment. First is economic environment. Legal environment is in second one, technological environment, global, social, competitive. You should be known about two environment that are competitive and technological here, because technology changes day by day and competition is increasing day by day. Economic environment, your infused capital. Legal environment, the taxation system of the country. Global environment, what is going around the businesses or organizations in the world. Now social environment means your surroundings, means your reason, means the culture in which you are going to introduce your business. Now the features of business environment means it constitutes totally of external forces that have the sum total of all forces that external to the business firm which it must deal with. Now, specific and general forces, the forces present outside can be divided into two parts. Specific, these forces affect the firm of an industry separately, just like customers, suppliers, competitive firms, etc. These forces also impacts equally on social and political environment. Now, these are interrelated because correlated factors that change import export policy. It is basically political change that give rise to the economic change as well. After that, uncertainty comes just because the changes of technology and fashion are going on. You have seen the technology changes in every industry, just like automobile industry, just like your industry, just like TV industry, refrigerator, everything, electronic industry, everything is changing on a different parameter. So the uncertainty becomes dynamic, means keeps changing. Now complex, when a lot of changing brings to an impact, then it becomes complex scenario. Now relatively business is basically differs from country to country, region to region, continent to continent, culture to culture. Now we will come about the importance of business environment, that is basically having strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. It is called by the name of SWOT analysis. Means whenever you will identify the strength, weakness and opportunity threat of your business, exploitation of opportunity, keeping business enterprises on alert, keeping flexible and dynamic, future problems prospectus understanding, making business socially acceptable, and ensure survival and growth. Now we can find out that our importance of business environment is basically making business dynamic and flexible. Long-term growth will be there. Social acceptance will be there. Efficient utilization of resources will be there. Business changes, threats detected, opportunity detected, weakness and strength detected. So friends, this all was for you. Today we'll say I'd like to say goodbye to all of you. See you in the next lecture. That will be a second lecture. Thank you.